If this is your vibe, then I've got just the right property for you. Hi, I'm Sam from Mapro and let me introduce you to this fully renovated 4-bedroom villa in Varandas, Lago. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice the bright interiors and a modern, neutral palette that creates an inviting atmosphere. The living area, complete with a charming fireplace, flows onto the covered terrace, perfect for relaxing and entertaining. The fully fitted kitchen with its sleek stone worktops, beautiful carpentry, and my favorite of all, the hidden door that takes you straight to the utility room. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area opens directly to the south-facing outdoor barbecue terrace, overlooking the heated pool and your very own garden. Each of the 4-bedroom suites is thoughtfully designed for comfort and privacy. The main suite opens onto a private terrace with serene views of the surrounding greenery. Entertainment takes center stage in this amazing games room, which includes a bar, surround sound, and this pool table makes it the ultimate fun zone. The villa's outdoor spaces are all about embracing the Algarve lifestyle. It's the perfect spot to soak up the sunshine. Whether you're looking for your forever home, a holiday getaway, or an investment property, book your tour today or check out reference 3876 on our website. Thank you for stopping by.